Good morning! The sun is shining. It is a perfect day to go out. I need to check my purse first.
Where did I put my handbag?
What? I found it. It was on the chair. I need some cash for the day.
I caught Bercia. I have no money for Mike Tig.
I must get money for Chrissy. I am going to the bank now. I need my white sun hat. This ribbon is very pretty. I look prepared for my walk. My hair looks very nice today. I will keep this on my arm. I will sit here for a moment. I must fasten the metal clip. Time to find the bank. Oh. The air is very warm today. The neighborhood is very quiet. I am at the street corner. I will follow Main Street. I will walk straight for 2 blocks. Whew! This garden is beautiful. The petal feels like velvet. The wind is quite gentle. Ooh. The park is on my left side. I will sit for a short break. I am here, but the bank is far. I need help. Excuse me, can you help me? Oh. Do I turn right at the corner? Is the bank beside the post office? I will cross the street now. I must wait for the red light. There it is! The bank is ahead. The bank is open today. It feels very fresh in here. I will use the cash machine. I must put my card inside. I want to withdraw $20. The machine is counting the bills. Now I have money for the kids. Everything is back in my purse. I am going back home now. Reach round. The afternoon is very bright. I turn left to go toward the park. The birds are singing in the trees. Ooh! Look at that cute squirrel! My house is very close now. I am finally back at my home. Where are my house keys? I found them in the small pocket. I am going inside now. The house is very cool and nice. I am hungry after my long walk. I have everything for his trip.
I am tired, but I am happy.
The sunset is so beautiful. This is a very interesting book.
The house is very quiet at night.
The round moon is in the sky. It is 9 o'clock at night. I will have sweet dreams tonight. Everything is safe and still. Asking for help is good. Goodbye.